golf cart seat. It's pretty nasty. It's been ripped and it's old, and this has all been repaired with duct tape, and it's cold, so I took it off, and it's a real easy upholstery job. I acquired this high quality marine fabric. It was a remnant, and I got it for really cheap, $18, and it's perfect. So just a few minutes with a large flathead screwdriver. I went underneath the fabric and poked out all the staples, and now I'm going to take the pliers and remove the staples. They need to all be gone. Now that the staples are out, I laid the new fabric face side down and set it on top. Just go around making sure there's enough fabric to staple. This is more than I need. I only need about an inch, but I'm going to leave it on since I have it all. Now we're going to staple it on. All right, so the stapling, I didn't completely staple it to death. I'm going to try it on the golf cart and make sure it fits first. It's not the most beautiful job in the world, but it's really heavy fabric and I am not skilled. Here's the other side. Looks really nice. It's nice and firm and smooth. That's what you want. Yep, I was focusing more on the corners, thinking the corners were the front, but I was wrong. But it still looks pretty good. Some of our cushion on the inside has rotted away, which leaves this exposed to dangerous things. So if it happens again, we'll just take that corner off and fill that in with some more foam. But it looks really good. We'll see how long that lasts.